Do you want to get an A for your English writing exam? Here's a tip for you. Now, you will always have a question for your essay. First things first, underline all the keywords and then give definitions. This should be done in your introduction itself, and for your body paragraphs, when you come up with main points, you should be highlighting the keywords there as well and defining them in your body paragraphs too. Even if it feels straightforward and obvious and you feel like everybody knows what you're talking about, imagine the examiners do not know anything and you have to explain everything to them A to Z from scratch. Imagine they're babies and they don't know anything. So explain it in your own words. For example, if the essay is on exercise, like in a sense, we all know what's exercise, but give that definition. That will give you one full sentence for you to be able to write ultimately that really long paragraph, the really long essay. Okay, so think about it. What is exercise? Okay, you can, in the beginning, if you're struggling with this, feel free to Google, read all the definitions from all the websites, and then put something together, right? I've done this, and here's my pitch. Exercise is any movement that works your body at a much greater intensity than your usual level of daily activity, right? And so you do planned, structured, repetitive physical activities to maintain your fitness. So write these sentences in your introduction. Let's do a different topic. Let's say it's about effective studying techniques, and one of your big points is that you should participate in class. Define, explain what that looks like, what that means. If you need more structure, think of rule of thirds. So 3 things of how that looks like in day-to-day life, the actual things that you have to do to participate in class. So then you can say, okay, 1, listen attentively to your teacher and peers. 2, answer questions in class and contribute points to the class discussion. 3, ask questions when in doubt to clarify misconceptions. So now you can put it all together into one big beautiful sentence that defines what exactly is participating in class. Okay, let's talk about a different topic. Let's say environmental. Environmental topics are quite popular, so your scientific terms, you should be able to define them. If you're talking about, say, global warming, give a definition, explain it. What is global warming? So then you can say, okay, so it's like the long-term negative consequences of the Earth's climate increasing in temperature due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. Define, definitions. Identify all your keywords, define, and you'll get a brilliant essay. That's all from me, Teacher Riga. Feel free to WhatsApp me if you want to set up tuition classes so we can work towards that A together.